Echo Chamber Training Center. Let's know about a wonderful opportunity to lead a successful life. What is success? In today's world, success is measured by one's wealth or economic independence. This is because people who lead a successful life would have achieved 100% of their dreams. Today, every single person have dreams about their future. Few important dreams of every commoner are a home to live happily with their loved ones, a car to travel, to provide standard education to their children, and mainly travel abroad with their family. Only a person who is economically independent can achieve all these dreams. An opportunity to acquire stability in economy or to be wealthy can be made from our habits. A habit which we have followed from generation to generation is to purchase a product and recommend to others. So, what if we say these habits can make you economically independent? Yes, you heard it right. There is a platform which can make this habit of yours an opportunity to earn a handsome amount, and that platform is direct selling industry. This department of direct selling is registered in India's Consumer Affairs Ministry. Today, this Consumer Affairs Ministry have recognized 457 companies under direct selling department. Our company is also one among them, and not only that, our company have linked up with skill development under Government of India. This Skilled India program provides training and certificate for all business persons. First of all, we should understand what is direct selling. Before that, we should know present world's business strategies. That is, a product which is manufactured for 30 rupees is sold to the customer for 100 rupees. The remaining 70 rupees profit is distributed among CNF agents, national distributor, regional distributor, local distributor, wholesaler, retail shop, advertising, and so on. So this is the usual type of business. Coming to direct selling, it is a type of business where there is no interference of any sectors and the manufactured product is sold to a customer directly and that is sold to another customer directly. The 70 rupees profit is not distributed but gained as profit by customers like us. There is no commercializing but only mouth publicity. So, which is this powerful and dynamic company providing this opportunity? It is none other than My Lifestyle Marketing Global Private Limited. Our company have corporate office in New Delhi and many regional offices in many places like Chennai, Mumbai, Kolkata, Cochin and others. If you want to know more about our company, please visit www.mylifestylemarketing.com. If you want to know more about our products, please visit www.indiashopee.com. Our company is registered according to 1956 Act under Indian government. It holds a membership in FICCI, that is Federation of Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and also have membership in FDACA, that is Federation of Direct Selling Association. One of the brand named Elements Wellness of our company was awarded as the Best Healthcare Brand 2019 by Times of India. There are many unit supplying products of our company all over India. Our company's brands are mainly focused on healthcare, beauty care, personal care, home care, and agricultural products. The certificates which have brought pride to our company are FSSAI, that is Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, GMP, which is a quality product testing, and the lab tests certified such as Raptox Breath Labs, Brunswick Labs, and also the Ayush Premium Certificate for Ayurvedic products mainly, which makes our products more trustable and unique. Coming to the brands of our company, first and foremost is Elements Wellness, which is mainly focused on Ayurvedic products for health related problems. So some of the products are Coughnil, which relieves you from cough, Multi-Guard Blood Purifier, which is cleanses your blood. Woman Companion, which promotes your menstrual flow. Liver Gain, it is in the form of syrup and capsules, which promotes liver function. Man Shaktiman, it promotes microcirculation and performance. Wellheart, it promotes function of heart. Fight Stress, it helps improve level of stress tolerance. No Vedana Gel and Capsule, it relieves pain and relaxes swollen and stiff joints. Immuno 3 Plus, it regulates gastrointestinal function, promotes skin and eye health. Below 37, it helps fight influenza and related symptoms. Daily Detox, it is an all-rounder cleanser and body detoxifier. Feeling Capsule, it prevents anemia. Uriflush, it removes kidney stones. Wound Healing, it is good for wounds. Champi Champion Thaila, it relieves muscle pain. Protein Powder, Ayushwas, which promotes healthy respiratory functions. Thigh Health, it is a remedy to maintain thyroid health. Anti-allergy, which is prevents all types of skin allergies. Cyclova, a wonderful product for all women out there. It is mainly for PCOD. And there are other types of Elements products such as Red Herbal toothpaste, face or fairness creams, that is fairness cream, under eye gel, night cream, day protection cream, and there is shampoos like Complete Care shampoo, anti-dandruff shampoo, and also face wash. Coming to next brand, On and On. Here we have some products such as Kavach Brush, which is a very good product to boost your immune system. Nutri-Life, which have all kinds of nutrients and vitamins which we lack in daily lifestyle. It is provided in different flavors. Spirulina Gold, it is a superfood. It is rich in protein. 95, it is an antioxidant rich drink and it boosts the immune system. Diba Life, it activates for better sugar management. And On also have other products such as different types of soaps, Mahabringaraja hair oil, herbal paste, body lotion. Next brand is New Star. New Star products are usually less in price. There are many types of soaps, face wash, powder, oil, paste, and shampoo. Such as shampoo is 20 rupees in cost, petroleum jelly is 40 rupees in cost. Next brand is My Home, which is a wonderful products for all household items. We have liquid detergents, we have toilet cleaners, we have dishwash liquid, soap, floor cleaners, glass cleaners. Coming to the next brand, Ahar. It is mainly related to eatable items. It can be a tea powder, choco flakes, spicy items, etc. Indie Agro, it is the next brand which is related to agriculture products. Indie Agro are products which promotes soil fertility and also prevents plants from various diseases. For more details about all these products, please visit the website www.indiashopee.com. In our company, we can not only be customers but also a distributor. Here, no sort of investment is required. After registering as a distributor, two types of work styles can be followed. First one is consumer group, where you can sell only products to others. The next one is distributor group, where you can create distributors like yourselves. By following consumer group, you would get retail profit of 20% to 63%, which is a spot benefit. By following distributor group, you would get sales turnover bonus, that is weekly income, performance bonus monthly income, loyalty bonus monthly income, rank bonus monthly income, overriding bonus monthly income, royalty bonus monthly income, sales turnover bonus weekly income. So, in sales turnover bonus, it is a wonderful way of earning. So, here, first of all, we have to create a distributor group, as I said before. So, in this, a week starts from Saturday and it ends on Friday. So, in this, commission is provided on basis of sales turnover. If suppose 100 rupees sales is purchased by you or your team, it is calculated as 75 BV, that is business value. And in some brands like New Star, it is calculated as 35 BV. So here two branches will be created. So by matching the sales BV of the both branches, 12% of commission will be provided. So let us see an example. So in this example, first you have to be a distributor in My Lifestyle, and you can create branch 1 and branch 2 and tell it is branch 1 is Arvind and branch 2 is Abbas. So in the first week, both Arvind and Abbas purchase for 10,000 BV. So we calculate 12% of sales turnover, that is the matching BV, and we provide rupees 1,200. So same way, in the next week, which is the second week, both the branches purchase 40,000 BV each, matching BV, and the 12% commission will be 4,800 rupees. So the next week, suppose Arvind, that is branch 1, purchase 80,000 BV, but Abbas purchases only 60,000 BV worth. So the matching BV will be calculated for 60,000 each, and the 12% of 60,000 BV will be 7,200 rupees. So now you might ask, where is the remaining 20,000 BV? The remaining 20,000 BV will be added in a carry forward system, which we can keep a balance up to 1 crore business value. So next time, suppose in the week 4, Arvind purchase or the branch 1 purchases freshly 80,000 BV and Abbas purchases 1 lakh BV. So now the remaining 20,000 BV from week 3 will be added to the freshly 80,000 BV. So this will be added to 1 lakh BV, which will be matched, and 12% commission will be provided, that is 12,000 rupees. So the same way, when business increases, the sales turnover also increases. For example, in branch 1, 5 lakh BV, and in branch 2, we have 3 lakh BV. So now, to match up the 5 lakh BV, we can create another branch. Suppose it can be Anthony, and imagine he have purchased for 2 lakh BV. So now totally the matching sales turnover will be 5 lakh BV. So now we have 12% of the commission, so which leads to rupees 60,000 weekly. The same way, as a team increases, some people may buy products for themselves, or some people sell products to others. Some people start home shops or create distributors. All this comes under turnover. So when team turnover is 10 lakh BV in each branch, your weekly income will be 1,20,000. That is 12% commission of 10 lakhs matching BV. The same way, if there is a sales turnover in the team in the both branches of 17 lakh 50,000 business value. The 12 percentage commission will be 2 lakh 10,000 rupees, which is a ceiling achievement in our company. So maximum payout per week will be 2 lakh 10,000 rupees. So there are more income. If you do this business continuously, you will have more income. So such as rank income, overriding bonus, performance bonus, star performance bonus, awards and rewards, loyalty bonus, NTC club bonus, royalty income. Like this, there are 9 types of incomes in our company. So to know more details about our company, please visit www.mylifestylemarketing.com. So in this time, I would like to talk about one particular team which was started by a single person. So as you see in the picture, a meeting was held for STC, that is a rank where 50 lakh BV matching sales turnover takes place. So 300 people in the year of 2018 at Pondicherry attended STC meeting. So as I told, this team was started by a single person, that is none other than our great leader Mohanan sir. So sir achieved the diamond executive rank, and not only that, he received a honorary doctorate for giving self-employment opportunity to many by the International Tamil University. So this picture is the event conducted to recognize our Dr. Mohanan sir's achievement. This event was attended by more than 3,000 team coordinators and above rank distributors. So this remarkable team's name is Eco Chamber International. Our company receives everyone with open hands and teaches everyone about the business and helps everyone to achieve your dreams and goals. So if you're ready to place yourself in our company, especially in Eco Chamber team, we are ready to change your lifestyle within 1 year. I wish everyone would get the change in life. Wishing you all the best. Thank you.